Characters portraying lives that reflect Swazi reality.
The making of the film was financially supported by the European Union with 300,000 malangeni. Ariane, who represented the EU ambassador, says it was a pleasure working with the filmmakers.
We are seeing that culture in the Swazi nation is the binding glue that keeps you nation together and makes Swaziland truly unique and beautiful. So, what are we here for today is to celebrate the relationship and the collaboration between the EU and Swaziland. With culture and with key partners of culture in Swaziland, like Alliance Française, like the Embassy of the Netherlands, who brought in some key experts to teach.
Principal Secretary in the Ministry of ICT, Deputy Paul Dlamini, says it's exciting to see Swazis producing their own. He says this is a good example of hard work and determination.
As a ministry, we've been always calling for the promotion of local content in our broadcast houses. So this is the first step, and we're grateful to the EU that has been providing support in collaboration with the Alliance Française, and also for Swazi TV and also Limpopo University. They have been playing a major role in ensuring that we have this day today to actually launch Swazi films.
The films are divided into three, namely Lipupolami, Human and Blessed, which take 30 minutes each. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Smuva Shongwe at Zulwini.